There's a well-known saying, we have not inherited the earth from our ancestors, we have borrowed it from our children. This brings us to a crucial idea, sustainability of development. It means using resources in a way that meets our needs without compromising the needs of future generations. Real development is not just about how much we grow, but whether that growth can last. Resources are of two types: renewable resources like water, forests, and crops. They can be replenished, but only if we use them wisely. Non-renewable resources like coal, petroleum, and minerals, once used, they're gone forever. If we overuse even renewable resources like groundwater, we risk exhausting them. For example, nearly one-third of India is already overusing its groundwater, especially in Punjab, western Uttar Pradesh, and parts of South India. Consider crude oil, a non-renewable resource. According to global data, the world has about 1,732 billion barrels of reserves. At current usage, these reserves will last only about 47 years. In the United States, the reserves may last just 10.5 years. Countries like India depend heavily on importing crude oil. If oil prices rise or reserves run out, our economy and transport systems could face a crisis. Development brings many benefits: jobs, electricity, industries. But it also brings challenges: deforestation, pollution, and waste. If forests disappear, rainfall patterns change. If rivers are polluted, entire ecosystems suffer. The question we must ask is, can we afford short-term gains if they destroy our long-term future? True progress doesn't just build, it also protects. The world has recognized the need for sustainable development. That's why the United Nations launched the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, to end poverty, ensure clean water and energy, protect the environment, and promote responsible consumption. At the local level, this means saving electricity, using water efficiently, reducing waste, and protecting green spaces. Sustainability begins with our choices. Let's recap. Sustainability means meeting today's needs without harming tomorrow's. Both renewable and non-renewable resources must be used wisely. Overuse of resources leads to scarcity and conflict. Development that harms the planet is not truly development. The goal is not just more growth, but better growth.